people instead. Is that fine?
There's going to possibly be some ash blowing out of there, so
yeah,
watch yourself.
Clear the property line.
I know.
Everybody go watch down there? You go watch? Warn the people on here that might be ash.
Hang on, there might be cinder and ash coming out.
Yeah, hey, back up down here. Here, just step back for a little bit. We're gonna. Just for a
Time to
second.
clean the fire.
You have to move it back and forth to slow down the pressure.
No, we're just doing it so people can see it. And it's Members Day, so they can go for a ride.
Oh, okay. Without blowing steam everywhere.
Yeah, well, you could probably do that, but it doesn't really use very much for this little. No. It leaks so little right now that it.
That means you did a good job, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in the best shape now.
That's how they clean the fire. Get the ash out of it so the fire can breathe a little better.
Well,
those levers down there, shake grates. They're on like shaker grates like this. They tilt and get the ash out of it.
are we done? Yeah. Can you guys let this gentleman up through here?
That works.
Oh, well, you guys might as well go for a ride too if you want while you notice your tag.
Yeah. They're going to take it down the tracks again.
Yeah, they will eventually.
Clear east to the grade crossing. Clear to the grade crossing, eastbound.
Or you can just step in there and look around if you want.
Yeah, I haven't been in.
Oh. Injector.
How hot is the water coming out of there? I don't know.
Couple 100 degrees.
Couple of these.
That's the injector.
Okay.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm just. Oh, okay. That's true. That's true.
You guys want to take a quick seat here?
Naturally. Sorry.
Or you can sit there.
Fireman seat. Yeah. Cylinder pressure. Cold water pump. Light would be heated as it comes through the as it's fed into the engine while it's running. That way they don't have to use the injector and use more steam. Use the water pump.